All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. So above. Above. When you look up and it is overhead. Overhead. When something is not fully understood. Not fully understood. Okay. Right, okay. This topic is above my head. I don't get it. Yeah. To do a lot of something. The books were above him. All these topics were above him, above his level. Yeah. The books were above his head and on the bookcase. Above his head on the bookcase. How cool is that? This is above my pay grade. This is too much for me. Yeah, too much for me. Yeah. How cool is that? These paintings will go above the furniture. Yeah. I will put that above the sofa. These, or they will go above and beyond their call of duty. You will need to go above the mountain or above the hill when you travel there. He will know what to do when he is above the clouds, for example. It is just above the door, for example, in the other room. Yeah. How cool is that? He went above and beyond the call of duty. Yes. She's trying to learn it, but it's above her. She doesn't understand it. It's too much. All of this is above us. We don't know what it is. It makes little sense. How cool is that? She will put the statues above the gate. Above the gate. Yeah. I will put, well, there is only a lamp above me. A light bulb. Yeah. A light bulb, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So above. And this cat is looking above. The cat is looking above. How cool is that? So above, can you use above in a sentence? Comment below with the sentence. And like the video. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.